Top 20 reasons why Vietnam continues to be a popular place to travel. After spending many years in Vietnam, I firmly believe there are numerous reasons why this country remains a beloved destination for travelers. The allure of Vietnam lies in its breathtaking landscapes, charming locals, and enchanting atmosphere. From the majestic countryside to the warm hospitality of its people, Vietnam offers an unparalleled travel experience that leaves visitors captivated and eager to return. Rich culture. Vietnam boasts a vibrant and diverse culture deeply rooted in history and traditions. From colorful festivals to ancient customs, visitors are immersed in a cultural tapestry that is both fascinating and captivating. Steeped in history. With a history dating back thousands of years, Vietnam is a treasure trove of historical landmarks and artifacts. From ancient temples to colonial architecture, every corner of the country tells a story of its past. Foodie paradise. Vietnamese cuisine is renowned worldwide for its bold flavors, fresh ingredients, and diverse culinary influences. From savory pho to fragrant banh mi, every dish is a culinary delight waiting to be savored. Great adventure. Vietnam offers an array of exhilarating activities for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. From trekking through lush jungles to kayaking in scenic bays, there's no shortage of adventure. Affordability. Vietnam remains relatively affordable compared to many other travel destinations, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. Visitors can enjoy high-quality experiences, from accommodations to dining, without breaking the bank. Diverse landscapes. From the towering peaks of the north to the sun-kissed beaches of the south, Vietnam boasts diverse landscapes to explore. Whether you're a nature lover or a beach bum, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Historical sites. Vietnam has many historical sites and landmarks, each offering a glimpse into the country's storied past. From the ancient city of Hoi An to the imperial citadel of Hue, history buffs will find plenty to discover. Cultural immersion. Traveling in Vietnam offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture and way of life. Whether learning to cook traditional dishes or participating in a traditional festival, you'll better understand the country and its people. Beach vacation. Vietnam is a paradise for beach lovers with its pristine coastline and crystal clear waters. From bustling resort towns to secluded island getaways, there's no shortage of idyllic beaches to relax and unwind. Luxury to backpacking. Vietnam caters to travelers of all budgets and preferences, offering everything from luxurious resorts to budget-friendly hostels. Whether you're seeking 5-star accommodations or a rustic homestay experience, you'll find accommodation options to suit your needs. Safety. Vietnam is considered a relatively safe destination for travelers, with low crime rates and welcoming locals. Whether traveling solo or with family, you can explore the country with peace of mind. Shopping. From bustling markets to modern shopping malls, Vietnam offers many shopping opportunities for visitors. Whether hunting for souvenirs, handicrafts, or designer goods, you'll find plenty of options to satisfy your retail therapy cravings. Transportation options. The extensive transportation network makes getting around Vietnam easy and convenient. From traditional cyclos to modern taxis, visitors can choose from various transportation options to suit their needs and preferences. Scenic landscapes. Vietnam's picturesque landscapes provide the perfect backdrop for outdoor adventures and exploration. Every vista is a feast for the eyes, from lush rice terraces to dramatic limestone karsts. You can read more about this by visiting the link on the caption section. Thank you for watching.